In our previous video, we have converted our educational material into a different strategy by using a prompt. Now I want to tell you something different, how you can convert your presentation or content into a education simulation. This is our primary presentation or simple simulation. Now we want to convert into a educational simulation. Here we can give the prompt. This is amazing. Can you further enhance it into a real education simulator? Because it is the continuity of the previous conversation. So I just give a very simple prompt for your understanding. Here it created the whole HTML code. We will download this code and see what kind of simulator it has created. So here is again ECG and sinus tachycardia, heart rate, blood pressure, map, and SVR and 0 point. And actually it's provided us case scenarios in which a 60-year-old admitted with pneumonia received 3-liter fluid bolus, still hypotensive, skin is warm and flushed. Review the vitals on the monitor above the select appropriate medication from the draw. Patient with pneumonia और blood pressure भी कम हो रहा है और मैप भी कम है. So it means patient is septic shock. So first choice of drug is norepinephrine. Okay, when we select the norepinephrine, so levodopa is the first line of agent for the septic shock. Then we go to the next patient. This is scenario 2, a rapid AFib and hypotension. 72-year-old female post-op suddenly developed atrial fibrillation with RVR, BP is dropping. So blood pressure is come, MAP is come, heart rate is more. So we will can use the phenylephrine in this situation. So now you can see how you can convert your educational content into a game or simulation for the students. So it will help them to enhance their critical thinking. So आपको ये वीडियो कैसी ली मुझे लाजमी बताइएगा. Thank you so much for watching this video.